Today I am going to tell you how to create a YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel is a great way to share your videos with the world and connect with other people who share your interests. To create a YouTube channel, you need to have a Google account and follow some simple steps. Here are the basic steps to create a YouTube channel. Sign into YouTube on a computer or the mobile site using your Google account. Click your profile picture in the top right corner and select Create Channel. You'll be asked to create a channel. Check the details with your Google account name and photo and confirm to create your channel. This will create a personal channel that only you can manage. If you want to create a channel with a different name or a business name, you can connect your channel to a brand account. A brand account can have more than one manager or owner. To do this, go to your channel list and choose to create a new channel or use an existing brand account. Fill out the details to name your new channel and click Create. After creating your channel, you can customize it by adding channel art, a channel description, and a channel name. You can also add a channel trailer, sections, and playlists to organize your videos and showcase your best content.